Today we're in the garage with my sob story, and we're gonna be tinting some taillights on my E92. I got my good buddy Liam here.
What's up?
He's gonna be helping me out. So basically, we've tinted the driver's side taillight here. It's not our first time tinting taillights or headlights, but we're definitely
with the tint wrap though.
With the tint wrap, yeah, it is the first time. We're not experts by any means. I think they are 8mm screws or nuts.
Yeah, they're 8mm. Yeah, there. Here, I'll hold the light.
So with the taillight out, you guys can see this connector a bit more clear. So you're just gonna take this tab, push down, and then if Liam pulls.
Oh, let me get a hands free.
Bing, it's out. Wipe the taillight down. Then you're gonna wipe off all these inner edges too. So that's going to be our chunk. Now, once we initially lay it on, I think maybe should we trim a bit more off now? Kind of make it more to size?
Yeah.
Easier.
It'll be a lot easier to work with if we have less hump, less there.
So we're going to set this down right in the middle section right here. And yeah, we're about to give this a go.
Wish us luck.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to start the heating process.
And I'll just hold it up while you fill it out.
Now you guys are going to get bubbles when you do this. Just keep working the tint. Peel it off if you have to. Heat it up. And just keep working away at it.
I'm going to set this part down.
Okay. And when you do heat it up, it does have quite a bit of stretch to it. So now once you've made it that far, You're gonna want to apply heat to the entire thing. A nice push all around. Now we're gonna do our final trim.
But don't worry, it's not a circumcision.
Now we're gonna heat up the edges and fold them over here. So for two blowjos in the garage with low, inadequate lighting, it's really not that bad. Once your taillights are tinted, they should look something like that. Really not too bad. Move over here. So thanks for tuning in, you guys. Really appreciate you watching this video. We actually plan on wrapping this entire car. This is Liam. If you guys haven't seen those videos, he actually drives a BMW F34. Very nice car. We've done lots of cool mods to that. We did a JV4 install.
JV4, got running stage 1 tune, 20 pounds of boost.
20 pounds of boost, pretty cool.
Good. Yeah.
And he's gonna be going full bolt on actually. So here's a little sneak peek of what he's got going on. Yeah. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Peace.